Hi everybody, this is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. As you can see, the boat is the sharp gray hull color with the nice silver pinstriping. Looking up at the boat itself, you can see that this has the hardtop option. Really makes the boat pop, kind of stand out. Not too many boats actually have this look anymore. On the swim platform here, we have nice faux teak. Soft on your feet, gives you a little matting if you want to sit on the swim platform. The boat is powered with a Mercury 300 Dorado. Here's the optional ski tow bar. Right now we have all the seats folded out. We have this in a lounge mode. If you want, you can fold all these seats away. This pops up like so. And when you're underway, this seat can switch back. Really nice feature. Scout packs a lot of room into this boat. Big cockpit here. You still have a nice little wet bar, cutting board, a Yeti cooler that will slide out, rod holders on the starboard side. And now when you really get to look at this hardtop, it's super beefy. Nice fiberglass all the way across, gives you good shade, LED lights throughout. When you come up to the helm, beautiful stitching here with the captain's chair, thigh-high bolster, digital throttle, glove box, Garmin screen, Mercury vessel view, you have your Fusion stereo remote, and you actually have a little side remote here that can clip out so you can control the lights, anything like that. I'll let Peter go up to the bow. The bow is fully cushioned all the way around, so there's no hard fiberglass for any kids or adults to hit their heads on. You do have nice armrests here. You can do a bow filler cushion in here. Low profile grab rails. This boat is upgraded with the JL audio speakers. Here's your anchor locker. And the last thing we'll show you is this boat does have a head. So again, this is a 2021 Scout 235 Dorado located here at MarineMax Brick. My name is Frank and Teskey. If you have any questions for us, swing by and come on in.